So please stand up for our prayer. Miss Hannah.
Hold our hands, bow our head, close your eyes, and pray. Dear Father, in the name of your Vincent Jesus, we from the upper lessons and to the students, help us strengthen the will with our hearts, mind, and home game. Amen.
You may now sit down.
Thank you so much.
So who can guess what our topic today is all about?
It's about animal cell and plant cell.
Very good. So who can tell me what an animal cell is? Yes, me.
So when we say animal cell, it has no cell wall, it is a flexible outer membrane, and it lacks chloroplast. It also contains lysosomes for digestion and centrioles for cell division.
Very good. Zian, for you, what is a plant cell?
Plant cell has a rigid cell wall, chloroplast for making food by photosynthesis, and one large central vacuole for water storage.
Very good. Brendan, what do you think are the difference between plant cell and animal cell?
So, sir, according to my past lessons, a plant cell has a cell wall and a cell wall which provides structural support and prevents excessive water intake, and a chloroplast which enables photosynthesis and gives the plant its colors.
Very good. So I guess everyone has prior knowledge of what an animal cell and plant cell is, right?
Yes!
So for our first activity, I want you to draw the shape of both plant cell and animal cell. Okay?
Okay.
So I'll give you 15 minutes to draw and you will present that later on. Anybody who can volunteer to present their output?
Then,
Yes, Miss Hannah.
So, this is my output. So, this is a representation of a plant cell and it has different organelles. And also, this is an animal cell and also has an organelle. But the difference is that the plant cell has a cell wall, but in animal cell doesn't have.
Very good. So good job, everyone. So now let's proceed with our formal discussion. So this is our objective. Can you read? First one is
Identify the key organelles in both plant and animal cells.
second one.
Compare and contrast the organelles in plant and animal cells.
The last one.
Explain the functions of these organelles and how they contribute to cell survival.
Very good. So let's define what is an animal cell and a plant cell. So an animal cell is a type of eukaryotic cell, meaning they are complicated. Next, they're complicated and they are made up of organs and they are made up of different organelles. Then, plant cell is also a type of eukaryotic cells and it has a nucleus and a membrane-bound organelles. So this organelles allows plant to grow, reproduce, produce their own food and maintain stability. So, what are the similarities between plant cell and animal cells? So plant cell and animal cells both have a
Nucleus.
Very good. So a nucleus na contain ang
Genetic information.
genetic information or DNA, which carries the instructions for all cell activities. Next is mitochondria. So both of them have mitochondria, which is the
Powerhouse of the cell.
good. So the part is dira ginaproduce ang energy. Yes, ATP or energy. Next is both of them have a
Ribosome.
which produces proteins, which is essential for cell growth, repair, and function. Next, the
Golgi apparatus.
so what is the function of Golgi apparatus?
Modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for storage and transport.
Very good. Next one is
Rough endoplasmic reticulum.
yeah. So what is the function of your rough ER?
Transports material throughout the cell.
Very good. Next,
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
so the smooth ER is a network of membrane-covered tubes and sacs without ribosomes, giving it a smooth appearance. So what is the difference between your rough ER and your smooth ER again?
Well, plant proteins.
Your rough ER
Other
contains
ribosomes.
yes, very good. And your smooth ER does not contain
Ribosomes.
Very good. Next is
Vacuole.
So both of them have a vacuole. So what is a vacuole? It is a storage unit
or warehouse.
where it keeps
Extra
Supplies and waste until needed.
also plasma membrane. So what is a plasma membrane?
It controls what enters and exits the cell, maintaining homeostasis.
Homeostasis.
Provide protection.
And structural support. So these are the difference between the two cells. So, kung sa ganing cell ang contain of cell wall?
Plant cell!
Very good. So the plant cell is, kung saan yung kuan gani?
Nice cell wall.
Very good, nice cell wall. But kung saan ang function sa mga cell wall?
Ma-protect.
No, provide structural support and prevents excessive water intake.
Very good. Next is chloroplast. So, kung saan cell ang may chloroplast?
Plant cell.
Good. Kung saan ang kuan sa chloroplast? Function?
Ma-contain
Chlorophyll which enables photosynthesis.
Very good. Centrioles. Ahan na siya makuan.
Animal cell.
Very good. Ano sa function sa mga centrioles?
For
Division, mitosis and meiosis.
Very good. Your lysosomes. Ahan na siya mga cell?
Animal cell naa sa plant rarely.
Rare lang sa plant.
Kung saan ang function sa mga lysosomes?
it breaks down waste,
Waste
and
vacuum. Yes.
Debris and
Yes, it breaks down enzymes and waste. So, now that you have finally understand what now you have finally understand kung unsa ang duha ka cells or unsa ang parts sa imong duha ka cells, let's have an activity. So I will group you into two groups. So the first group will be in charge in making animal cell, while the second group will be in charge in making a plant cell. Okay?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
So let's count out. Let's start from the back.
1, 2,
1.
2.
One.
Okay, so group 1, dire, and then group 2, dito. I will give you 45 minutes to do your task. So, you may now begin.
Okay.
Okay, time's up. So let's proceed with our presentation. Let's start with group 1. You may now present the group 1.
So, good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. We have here our representation for the plant cell. So, first, the 3 organelles will be discussed by Miss Helen. So, the first organelle is the cell wall. Cell wall, it found around the cell itself. So it supports the skeleton and it mainly composed of cellulose. Next is the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. It serves as the protective skin that controls what enters and leaves the cell. Next is the cytoplasm here. Cytoplasm was found inside the cell membrane and in this the Golgi apparatus. It is a protein that comes from rough ER and are taken proteins and sorted package to go to their different locations. The next organelles will be discussed by Zia.
So, we have mitochondria. This is the powerhouse of the cell. It provides energy to power the cell biochemical reaction. Next is the vacuole. Vacuole, it is a water-filled volume surrounded by a membrane known as the coloplast. Next is the cytoskeleton. It is a main composed of microtubules and actin filaments. So that's all with our presentation. Thank you.
So very good, Group 1. So let's give Group 1 a good job clap.
D-O-D-J-O-B, good job. Good job.
Very good. Now let's proceed with Group 2.
So good morning. This is our animal cell model. So this is the parts. First is the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is the outermost layer of the cell, which separates from its environment and also regulates what enters and what leaves the cell.
So next we have a cytoplasm. This is a jelly-like substance inside the cell. This is where many metabolic processes take place.
Next, we have the nucleus, which is the control center of the cell that contains our genetic material or the DNA.
Next is the mitochondria. So this is known as the powerhouse of the cell. This is energy-producing structure within the cell.
Next, we have the endoplasmic reticulum, which is a network of membranous tubules and cisternae involved in protein synthesis, transport, and storage. We have the smooth and the rough endoplasmic reticulum.
So next we have the ribosomes. This is where the protein synthesis occurs.
Next, we have the lysosomes. It is a membrane-bound sacs containing digestive enzymes that break down and recycle cellular waste and foreign substances.
Next is the Golgi apparatus. So this is where the proteins packs and sorts for transport.
Lastly, we have the cytoskeleton. It is a network of protein filaments that provides structural support, shape, and movement to the cell, which is comparable to the plant cell, which has a cell wall that gives it its structure. The animal cell has the cytoskeleton. And that would be all. Thank you.
So thank you for that, Group 2. So let's give Group 2 a good job clap.
D-O-D-J-O-B, good job. Good job.
So thank you for that, everyone. Today's lesson.
Okay, plant and animal cell have both the nucleus, mitochondria, smooth and rough ER, vacuole, and Golgi apparatus. While their difference is that animal cell doesn't have the cell wall and plant cell have cell wall.
Very good. So thank you for listening, class. So for your assignment, I want you to make a Venn diagram comparing the differences and similarities between the two cells that we've discussed. So put it on your notebook and pass it tomorrow morning. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So that is all for today, and thank you for your active participation. Class dismissed.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Ulit.